Hi again, friends. I'm Miss Beth. Thank you for joining us again for another story time with the Polk County Library. I have some really good books again. Today, we are going to read If You Give a Mouse a Cookie by Laura Numeroff. You see him? He's so tiny. If you give a mouse a cookie, he's going to ask for a glass of milk. When you give him the milk, he'll probably ask you for a straw. When he's finished, he'll ask for a napkin. Oh, dirty little face. Then he'll want to look in a mirror to make sure he doesn't have a milk mustache. When he looks into the mirror, he might notice his hair needs a trim. So he'll probably ask for a pair of nail scissors. When he's finished giving himself a trim, he'll want a broom to sweep up. He'll start sweeping. He might get carried away and sweep every room in the house. He may even end up washing the floors as well. When he's done, he'll probably want to take a nap. I would too. You'll have to fix up a little box for him with a blanket and a pillow. He'll crawl in, make himself comfortable, and fluff the pillow a few times. He'll probably ask you to read him a story. So you'll read to him from one of your books, and he'll ask to see the pictures. When he looks at the pictures, he'll get so excited he'll want to draw one of his own. He'll ask for paper and crayons. He'll draw a picture. When the picture is finished, he'll want to sign his name with a pen. Then he'll want to hang his picture on your refrigerator, which means he'll need, what do you think? Scotch tape. He'll hang up his drawing and stand back to look at it. Looking at the refrigerator will remind him that, oh, he's thirsty. So, he'll ask for a glass of milk. And chances are, if he asks for a glass of milk, he's going to want a cookie to go with it. Oh, look who's tired now. The poor little boy. The end. All right, friends, I have a very special guest today. It's my little mouse. So we're going to say in a very quiet voice, "Come out, little mouse." Can you do that? Come out, little mouse. And I have my little mouse friend. Say hi. Hi. He wants us to do a little clapping rhyme with him. Can you show me how to clap? Can you clap? Very good. All right. Can you guys clap along with us while we do this? All right. We're gonna scare a cat away, right? Because we don't like the cats, do we? Okay, no. All right, are you ready? Behind the tree and under the house, there lived a teeny, tiny mouse. He loved to sing, he loved to tap, but most of all, he loved to clap. He clapped all night, he clapped all day. He clapped to frighten the cat away. Good job, friends. Thank you, Mr. Mouse, for showing us that little rhyme. All right, can you say bye? It's time for the mouse to go. Say bye-bye. All right, bye, mouse. Good job, friends. Thank you for doing that with me. Our next book is called Bear Snores On. This is by Karma Wilson. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, Too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs in the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night!" "What a storm!" twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. The end. Thank you guys so much for joining us and reading that with me. We hope to see you again real soon. My, oh my, how time does fly. It is time to say goodbye. I'm so glad that we had fun, but now it is time to run. Story time is now through. I hope to see you again real soon. Bye, friends.